Hello, I'm Maginpanic and welcome to my reaction channel. Today we're gonna watch Brawl Stars, Barley's last call. Let's jump straight into it. Instead of watching just this video, we're gonna watch this one and the behind the scenes. So there are gonna be two videos. There are short videos, so the video won't be too long. Let's jump straight into it. Let's go. That's a nice effect on top of the video to destroy the quality. Oh my god, this flame here, right from the very beginning, something that I appreciate. Yes, please. There is something so perfect in those videos that I just can't. All of those squash and stretch are all next level. Everything here is next level, and when everything moves, oh my god, it's just so good, so good. Well, I believe that, oh my god, this one, when this dragged, looks like it was like a spaghetti noodle dragged. I would love to see it more detached instead of this one shape repeated itself in couple frames. I would love to see something like having this shape there, and on the next is just cut there. Let me draw on top of it. We can draw, of course we can draw. I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for. It's a red. Let's change it to, I don't know, let's go with red. I'm talking about something like this, to detach those shapes here and work from this detached at this point, instead of dragging this entire long piece for a couple frames. That's something that I don't like this much, because it looks like it's literally dragged, and not like a fire, but like a very viscous liquid. Something that's overused in this video, and I love it so freaking much, is those smear frames all over. Fire. One frame here. He had a duck hidden there. Oh my god, that's so cute. All those cute details in those videos. And something that this video is known from, I guess, all those shape-shifting things that are appearing in every single of their videos. What just happened? So the character, oh my god, the towel here, he's like going around to get rid out of this smoke. I'm wondering what was happening on this very one frame here, because I think the character wants to kind of destroy everything. That kind of mood. Let's see. Something that I can't miss is this little shine and glint on the top. That's very, very natural. I believe someone drew it frame by frame, but the compositing here is the next level, as I said. Rotation, speed lines, fire, burning. The shapes here. Love how it burns. I just can't watch those videos. They are so cool. So the droplet detached, we have this little shine on top of it, and this glint, and of course this is going. Those close-up. Oh my god. He wanted to put it under the glass. Oh no! Please stand by. No. Please no. Do you want this video to be 4 hours long? With such amazing quality, love this impact frame. Stylish, simple, don't have to be too complicated, we just have to put the silhouette of the character kind of, and it works out well. The next frame even less that we are showing, but the fire behind is vividly envisioned. Oh my god, so much fire. What an explosion. Let's just watch it, whatever. That's just so cool. There are so many things. This fire on the background is so cool. It is wonderful fire out there. And it was on the screen for just a couple frames. This wonderful fire. Oh my god. I can't. I have to just scroll through this video frame by frame. This fire here and this wall of fire here. Wonderfully done. Something that I was missing on the weekend video when the character was in the center of this kind of circle. Yes, please. And there's a little bit of dust and this thing. So many things are happening. And I love the impact and how this fire spreads around and kind of vanish for a couple frames to redeploy on those places. Let's fight. Fight. I want to see that last frame. I think that was an interesting thing that happened. This one. So we can see this character and yellowish kind of vibe around. This added impact just a little. Smoke. Very well done. And puts this and the glass on top of it. Yes. That anxiety when you have to be so that perfectionist kind of thing. Post-credit scene. He did it. He put it the other way. All of those things for nothing. Okay, so let's watch the behind the scenes. Barley's last call. Obviously, we should see the composited finished thing and the thing without those compositing thing and the animation, as the animation industry calls it, I guess, play blast. It's not a render, but just those play blast thing that are rendering fast, animatic 3D and animatic 2D from the very early stages. And they build everything as always. From the very beginning, those artists know what to do because they have every single frame kind of drawn. Everyone is drowning, you know, you have to know how to swim. Drown things around to make the vibe of what should happen on every frame, and if something is more complex then it should have more than one image from the beginning to an end, from the sketch to 3D models. And I love that they are adding those parts where special effect artists are doing their job as well, not only those 3D artists. Oh, and you can see the rig. That's a nice thing. All the handlers for the rig. More special effects, more fire, everything. The next frame, this fire there, that was my favorite fire in this scene. Next one, oh my god, and we're jumping through the softwares one to another. that's a heavy video, fully packed with all the nicest things I can imagine. I love it. I love it. I would love to see the artist that was creating those 3D models. That would be something that would be fun to see, a little time lapse of modeling such piece. But yeah, top-notch video, very well made, top quality. Thank you so much for watching. Have a sick day. If you have any idea for a video that I can watch, react to, type me in the comment section. Well, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.